can't be.
So you can take this part right here and plant it back into the ground and
Yeah,
grow a whole
and
new
you
one.
get another one like this.
That's awesome.
Yeah, this is pineapple, you know. See another piece here.
Oh, that's it. So good. So good.
Sweet, right?
Tastes so different than the pineapple I'm used to. The rain?
So these are the skin, you know.
Yeah, see it.
You know, a lot of people use this and make juice. You blend it in the blender, or you strain it and make juice with the skin.
Oh,
You can add an apple on it, real natural juice, you know.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Let me see.
And you can make it even hard. You want me to peel it for you also?
Oh, you would? Thank you, bro. How much you charging me, bro, for this? How much I...
Oh, man.
You sure? Man, bro, I really appreciate you, bro. This is a Jamaican orange, right? So it doesn't even have to look orange to be right. And you have to peel it with a knife, apparently.
The knife need to be more sharp, you know?
Yeah, I can see. It's starting to rain now. I gotta walk back in this.
No, you can really cool off, you know? You get sick, bro, right?
Yeah.
You don't need to get sick, you know? I mean, you're on a vacation, you know?
Man, I appreciate that, brother, for real. I wasn't even thinking about that. I'm here for 4 months, too.
Damn, man. So we're staying?
I'm staying with Roz Rod. What's his name? Vernon, I guess.
Where?
Down here in Ferry Hill. With Roz Rod. That's all I know his name is.
Yeah.
Filming the YouTube. Oh. Just basically a travel video on like visiting Jamaica.
Yes, bro.
You know, a lot of people, I believe, you know, a lot of people have the wrong idea of it. They look at the news and they, oh my God, it's so scary over there. And I'm like, you know, it's scary everywhere. Everywhere has their bad places.
Everywhere's scary, bro.
Like everywhere has their bad places, and they have the, you know, not so bad. You just gotta go for yourself and don't listen to anyone else.
Yeah, for real, bro.
You know, I saw something yesterday that was strange to me. Our tire went flat. We got a ride to the house.
Yeah.
We were walking back to the car, and then we get a ride to the car.
Yeah.
The car needs to jump because the hazards were on the whole time. Somebody pulls up and gives us a jump.
Just like that.
Just like that. No conversation, no asking. You need help, brother? It blew me away. Because at home, no, it's not gonna happen, brother.
Damn, bro.
You gotta call people. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good.
Bro.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Much love, bro. Respect. I went and got breakfast, and I went and got some jerk chicken back, some saltfish fritters, got this Jamaican orange. Breakfast is crazy. I walked down to the market down here in Portland, in Ferry Hill. I grabbed me some jerk chicken back and some saltfish fritter. This shit is slamming. I mean, I swear to God, this shit, I haven't tasted good in so fucking long. I'm hungry as fuck. And then they got damn lifespan water. Is this shit? Look at this. The water is from right here in Portland, where I am. Naturally alkaline. Yes. This shit is crazy. They pineapples are the shit. Look, you can bite through the whole core and everything. You know how we gotta peel ours out. Nope. Soft. Right plantain, killing bananas. I swear to God, man, shit good as fuck. See little black seeds and shit all in there too. It's crazy. It's fine. Yeah, I swear. Even chicken tastes different. I don't know. Maybe I'm just happy to be here, but I swear everything tastes a little bit different. This shit is, man, and I never had saltfish, and I've never had fritters. So I've definitely never had saltfish fritters. This shit is slamming. This shit is for real. You see the herbs in that motherfucker? It's like a subtly fishy dump like a you know what I'm saying, fried dumpling. But there's so much in there. It's like the herbs and the layers of flavor in this is just crazy. I don't have to explain it. And fish is hidden in there. It's like, you know it's there, but not exactly. It's so weird. Man, that shit is so good. And it's soft and crispy at the same time. It's just, man, it's it. I'm not gonna lie, this jerk chicken kind of spicy. I fucked around, wiped my face earlier. Right after I picked it up, I was like, dumb move. But this shit got me sweating. I don't lie to you. I ain't gonna stop eating it though, cause it's weird. It's like you don't taste the spice in one bite. It's not like it's, oh my God, it's hot. But as you continue to consume this shit, that spice continues to consume your ass. Oh shit. I think the fact that everything here is natural, it makes it taste different. Cause it's like, where I'm from, the crazy seedless everything. Seedless grapes, seedless oranges, motherfucker, seedless weed. And I swear to God, I had no fucking clue. This shit. All this food. This chicken back, slimy. This shit go crazy, Joe. And then I grabbed this ripe plant. I got this ripe plantain. He said you can eat it just like a banana. It's slimy. It tastes like a banana, but a little sweeter. But I don't know how to explain it. It's so much better. Even look different. Got little seeds all in them black seeds. That's how you know it's natural, baby. None of that other bullshit. But look. What else is slamming? Surprised the fuck out of me is a Jamaican orange. That bitch came green. Had to get somebody to peel it for me with a fucking knife, Joe. Oh. I don't know. Yeah. This shit is amazing. Had somebody peel up. Oh, yeah. What I like about these Jamaican pineapples is you can eat the whole thing, the corn on it. And it's much sweeter than our version. They're back in America. I'm not gonna lie to you. So good. Everything about this is good. I mean, I'm going crazy right here. This shit going crazy. Yeah, guys, that was my first day here in Jamaica. Look, subscribe to me. Click that bell notification, like and comment. And you know what? If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know. Or you know what? You can tell me whatever you want to see. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.